Your PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop assembles quickly and easily. Follow these few tips to get it up and running. First, attach the extension wand to the mop pad foot by snapping it into place. You should hear a click. To attach your desired mop pad, wrap the mop pad around the bottom of the foot, making sure the gray stitching is located in the front of the foot and the quick grip release tab is located on the back. Insert the handheld pod to the extension wand until it clicks into place. The toolbox can be attached to the handheld pod by aligning the clip on the back side of the toolbox to the opening on the bottom of the handheld pod and sliding down into place. Finally, wrap the cord around the palm of your hand into a circle. Then place the wrap strap around the cord and back onto itself to secure. That's it, your PowerFresh Slim Steam is now assembled.